Now on our XRP for the week, as we can see on a daily time frame, let's highlight if you are to highlight it by the way, we see that we are actually on a fall on our huge daily time frame by the way. So let's see to fit to screen. Now you can see the long time frame, we are actually falling by the way. So let's do it like this. We would analyze one of our key level here where our price reacted. We can see a fall, right? We add this for our price now pushed, we had a retracement upward, see about 0.38. We had a fall to around 0.28, so we add a retracement to about 0.38. now we are having another huge fall by the way. So far when our price retraced, right, when our price retraced, we add something like, we had about 19 percentage fall from our price, where our price retraced about 19 to 20% fall. So we're actually still going to be falling. So we would want to fall to hit this key level here, at least this key level here, right, where we add this retracement. So that is about, we are currently trading at 0.31. We would want to hit that our 0.28. We added that retracement back. We saw a fall here, we added that retracement. We are still going to having a fall for the week to hit this our key area here where we add this retracement and possibly break below its continued downward. But first of all, one thing I know is that our price might not be really volatile this week. By the full time frame, we are still going bearish by way. We would want to break it below this our previous lower lows, right? We would want to break our previous lower lows. But first of all, let's set our target to our previous lower lows. If we are to take our profits there, then we can continue going bearish on our XRP to our USD. That is exactly what we are planning to trade for the week. So first of all, hit our previous lower lows, then if possibly continue to break below it. So our previous lower lows is about 0.28, and if possible we continue to go below it, then we should be able to grab about 0.26 for the week. So that is the analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share if you find this video helpful.